baking with water. The next stage in cooking is baking with water. The secret is the power of superheated steam. Advanced Panasonic technology has led to an advanced new steaming method. It's called superheated steam convection. Introducing the Panasonic convection steam oven. What is superheated steam? Steam is produced by heating water. When this steam is further heated beyond 100 degrees Celsius, it becomes invisible, superheated steam. Thanks to its very high temperature, this superheated steam efficiently bakes foods golden brown. Since the steam particles are nano-sized, they penetrate into foods deeper and cook it quicker. The results are delicious, crispy outside, juicy inside. Healthy because fat is reduced. And it's quicker than a conventional oven because of superheated steam. This new oven gives you the power to prepare a much wider range of delicious meals, from slow baking at 30 degrees Celsius to professional level convection roasting at 230 degrees. Your home just turned into a restaurant. This advanced new cooking technology can give your home cooking an entirely new dimension. The whole family will taste the difference. Introducing the Panasonic Convection Steam Oven. Advanced technology to enrich your home.
Panasonic.